Welcome to Solidworks course. Now before we begin this course, I want you to download all the lesson files, and lesson files are just ready-made files that I have used in different video lessons. So wherever a lesson file is required, I have mentioned its name on the lower thirds here on the bottom left of the screen. So just open the lesson file as per the instruction in the video to follow along. SolidWorks is compatible with Windows operating system and Mac operating system does not support SolidWorks. So you need to have Windows operating system in order to use the software. Now, once you finish the course 100%, including all the practice exercises and quizzes, you'll receive a certificate of completion from Udemy. Now, you of course need to finish the course 100% to get the certificate. Now for this course, the video is recorded at a very comfortable pace, but if you feel like the video is just moving very fast or even slow, you can change the playback speed to slow or fast using the video playback control as shown in the video here. I would, however, recommend that you watch the videos at 1.5 times their speed. This will help you cover more lessons easily, but do this only if it is comfortable, else you can switch back to the default speed or you can even slow it down. Now the quality of video adjusts automatically as per the bandwidth of internet connection. So if the bandwidth is slower, it will automatically decrease the quality to just give you a smooth playback performance. All the videos in this course are recorded in 1940 by 1020 high definition format. Now, as you have enrolled in this course, I'm assuming that you already have access to SolidWorks software, but just in case you don't have SolidWorks software, you can get the student version of SolidWorks, which is available at a fraction of the actual cost of software for students from the eligible vendors. You may need to check the vendors that provide SolidWorks student version. Now for questions, you can always reach me in the Q&A. So whenever you have a question related to subject matter, just drop it in the Q&A section and I'll get back with answers as soon as possible. So with that, let's get started.